So we're hosting the 2023 US MultiHull Championships at Dallas Corinthian Yacht Club. And it's been a pretty great race. This is the first time that the Hobie fleet has been able to have wins in the last 5 years that we've seen regattas won here. So Sheila Holmes and her crew have put on a really great event.
I want to do a little different video this time. This is a point of view from the race committee. You know, what it's like to work race committee. You get to see all the best action. I mean, look at this start here. It's amazing. I know it's not very clear, but we got to be in the mix of everything, and it's not always easy.
Final day of the 2024 MultiHull Championships at DCYC, and 24. This is going to be a windy day. I don't even know if you can even hear this, but it looks like wind is, I would say 18 to 20, gusting 25. Whoa!
Of course, you got to keep the obligatory Despacito song going, especially when you have friends from Puerto Rico. What a great day on the water.
Okay, it's time for a lunch transfer.
Then once again, I was the boat that was required to deliver everyone lunch. Sometimes we did good, sometimes we did bad, but this is just a look at you know, after being on a boat that's getting splashed continually, what happens to the bags? We got one good lunch over, and then the bag explodes.
You look a little wet.
A little.
I gotta lead you a little bit.
That was impressive.
Sorry.
We're pulling about 21 mile an hour up here.
Well, that's light for the rest of the course. All right, so we just finished the 2024 US MultiHull Championships at Dallas Corinthian Yacht Club. Wind was on today, 20 to 22, gusting 25 plus, and these Hobie sailors definitely took the opportunity to scream today. They were, we couldn't keep up with them in the rib. What's that?
Well, I thought you might be getting lunch street.
No, 20 to 21 though is what it said. So it was a honking day. So now we're gonna get ready. We're gonna make some food.
This really just exemplifies the culture we have at this club. I mean, we always have fun. We get beautiful weather. We have beautiful conditions. What an amazing day.
It's
Definitely hot.
It is. I mean, what do you think the boy's wearing today?
I love his toenails.
Oh.
That's all I can think of when I see him.
Yes.
We like to keep it lively and fun here.
I was like already.
Great job. Those burgers look amazing.
Do all these like you do all these pretend
Put any seasoning on your burgers, Mark?
Yes.
There's seasoned salt upstairs.
I did not do that. I did unseasoned salt.
We did salt and pepper.
And helping us out with this regatta. Hal, it was an exceptional event. And then last but not least, let's welcome and announce the 2024 US MultiHull Championship from Puerto Rico and Syracuse, New York. We want to say thank you, Fakio, Francisco Figueroa, and Faith Payne. Congratulations! Again, this team will sail on one of my boats.